All right, it's Sunday. It's time to detail this car a little bit, clean it up. Headlights are still looking good, nicey nice, lemon nice. And one of the things that you should do, especially with these cars, I don't care what version of Mercedes you have, is if you're in these V12 class, you should hook up your charger. So one of the things I want to do is I want to clean up this stuff. Obviously, I'm not going to get rid of that delamination with the windows, but I got hit with a rock the other day, so I got a kit. I'm going to try that out and see if it's worth it. So let's find out. All right, so this is the kit, and these are my dogs, two blackmouth curs. Hey, come on, boys, Ranger and Apollo. Can't you go play with a ball or something? Anyway, this is the windshield repair kit. That's the jammy jam right there. So let's see what happens. All right, step one. What's up, bud? All right, this is what we got so far. Just gonna put this down. I need two hands. Okay, I'm gonna use the razor blade and see how this thing comes out. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna say that's pretty good. It almost just looks like a bug hit the window over there, but nothing like it was before. Hopefully that'll stop. Hopefully it doesn't go all over the place. So I'd say that's a pass.